seconds while you dream. A life never lives in peace. As you stand upon the edge, woven by a single thread, and fate may fall down upon you, while the devil is not
DCDMNQ on the one.
right at your door.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
Mic check, test one.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it? Michael Oathrew.
Speed of NQ68. Speed of NQ68.
Are you ready indeed? Welcome aboard. Don't forget, trading is risky and all that good jazz. My name is Vinny. If this is first time with us, you have been missing out, but that's all right. We'll give you a quick tour around what we're doing here. Make sure before we get started, you don't want to miss any of these live streams with us. We've got morning sessions and afternoon. Smash that like button. Make sure you are subscribed. And then, of course, don't forget to join our free Discord trade room where all of the action is at. With all of our other traders, we are the #1 largest futures Discord trade room in the world. And you might want to know why that is. I'm going to turn the music on down here as I get into my afternoon session, give you a tour around the room here, up here at the top left, the way that I control my risk. I have several ways to do that. Number one, risk is a trade based. So we've got 5 trades plus 1 bonus. Want to try to keep myself within 5 trades, not more than that. Within those, I'm looking for winner chicken dinner. Within 2 trades, I want to be at enough to make my living. That's again how I approach things. I started out with this $500 sheet. You might want to print one of these out yourself. These are available in our Discord chat on the left-hand side under Vinny's Tips and Tricks. You can print one of these out, or if you're going through our premium member training program, it's at the bottom there. Once you've completed the first 40-day training session, you can get one of these at the bottom of the list there of those videos. You can print it out, or you can purchase one online if you want one of these higher end ones like you see right here. And again, this is right here on my desk, and I've got 4 coins there to track my 5 trades. I approach the markets like a video game, and there's my 5 lives there in front of me. I also have a time base risk management strategy, and that is another T. So for time, how much time? I'm going to spend 60 to 90 minutes at my desk tops. I came up with that after a scientific study that says that the maximum levels of concentration for the human is 60 to 90 minutes. After that, no matter who you are, you wane. Decision fatigue sets in, etc., etc. So 60 to 90 minutes tops. I prefer 60 rather than 90. Those rules there on the bottom left, kind of to remind you what I do here. And again, I am not making suggestions that you do anything. I am not a financial advisor. I cannot advise you to do one thing or another. Everything out here is for demonstration, education purposes only. I'm going to show you guys how I use AlgoBox. Up here at the top left, there is my primary direction filter. That is available inside of our Discord channel chat as well, free to all community members. That is inside there, and again, no strings attached to it, but you want to go check that out. That direction filter includes the ES, the NASDAQ, the Dow, and the Russell, all 4 combined to tell you what the tide. Are the tides rising or are they falling? On the 4 correlated instruments, if you're trading either the NASDAQ, Dow, Russell, or the NAS. Let's see, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell, the ES. Yeah, I get them confused sometimes. I don't ever say them in the same order, but any one of those, you may want to know where all the boats are rising or falling, and your best plays are going to be in the direction where the rest of the ships are going, if you know what I'm saying. All right, any questions, pop them there in the chat. Best way to get things started and answered is in the Start Here section on the left-hand side of Discord. And on our website, you can get the free quant training to learn the majority of those strategies for free on algoboxpro.com. And then there's a link for the training at the top. And of course, there is a free two-week free trial. And no, I don't put you on an email list. I am never going to email you to tell you about special offers, blah, 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 blah. We don't do any of that in here, nonsense here. So welcome aboard. Let's get to it. All right, we've got still about 22 minutes till 2:30, where I really like to start taking the action in the afternoons. Let's see how we're doing here. All right, pulling up my Mac V Ultimate for myself over here. Current status. Oh, if you're wondering, hey, why is the one at the top left not move? So out here on the live stream, it is just an example. If you want the moving version of this, you need to head on inside of our Discord channel chat. Very easy to read. The most recent one is going to be down at the bottom there, and you can see where it's been. We have been to the long side here so far into the afternoon. Don't forget, there can be a shift there at 220. Talk about the 220 reversal all the time. So first thing, we're going to see how that 220 reversal plays out. I did notice some people thinking about the prior close and low. I have had this several times for us before, where this is usually an attraction point. Be careful using that today. Why? Pop quiz. Why do you think this might be a little more dangerous today? Let's see if you guys have been following along. What makes that attraction point a bit more dangerous and, in my opinion, less likely at this point today? Why would that be? Let's see who can get it. Again, we got a few minutes. We got about 20 minutes to kill here, so let's pop quiz with the members who've been following along there. Yes, let's check that checklist as well. Let me turn off my real-time protection. Don't want anything slowing down my machine. And thanks to Windows, they always pop this back on right there. Make sure, again, if you are in Windows, this is going to constantly be putting itself back on after you reboot, or if I leave my PC on overnight, and I'm not sure what their hourly orders are, but that gets turned back on even if you turn it off, so don't just do it once. David Investor said, because it's a down day. Close, but how many times have we seen, okay, it's down, and then boom, we fully return to that? Because I have said that before, right? So it's not just that. I'm going to scroll to the left, give a little bit more of a hint here. Now can you see it? Any other guesses? Favorable direction. Yeah, but that can shift. So here it is. I'm going to give you the answer. So this one's a little bit trickier. So I'm glad you guys are following along. Why? Is because we have already visited that thing today. Look at it. We hit it so many times. It has been tested over and over and over and over again. So returning to it, in my opinion, is less likely. I think we're going to continue down, and we've already made an attempt to do it. That's the fake out. Everybody's like, oh, we're going to the prior high, or going to the prior low in the close. And look, boom. AlgoBox says, I don't think so. Red dot into divergence, into the Super Bowl touch, and then boom, and the drop. So that's my current analysis. We'll see if I am right or not. 220 reversal area coming up here in about 12 minutes. All right, I'll take that as my first play there of the afternoon.
Target filled.
Speed of NQ69.
Target filled.
Oh, that's a little bit too easy. A little bit too easy. Hand me that $500. I'll take $500 for free. Come on. Yeah, they've already kind of, yeah, they hit it, right? They got it. And now the attraction point to it now everybody's like, oh, we're going to hit it again. When everybody thinks it's going to do it again, what do we think? Probably not, right? Just the way that I look at things. So what do I see as likely now? S1 and S2 are more likely. And I mean, that is a very long way down to S2. So this afternoon, we might get some giddy up.
Speed of NQ65.
That was trade number one. So I'm going to go up here on my little coin board and one trade down there for the afternoon. We are outside the diddle zone. I'm going to turn on continuous in case we get another Enigma. So I am turning on full auto for the moment to go ahead and take me the next trade. $213. So it's actually about 2:14, so about 6 minutes till that 220 reversal we're going to be looking for, kind of like that 10-minute window that we look for in the mornings after the open. If you guys have followed along, 9:40 to 9:50 is a nice, fun window that I like to look for reversal in that 10-minute area. I'll be doing the same thing there at the 220 area. Don't forget, if we get to 50 likes, I'll be here for the entire session. If we don't get 50 likes, that's all right. First 15 minutes are on the house. We still got about 3 minutes to get there. Smash that like button, and we'll be there for the whole session to the close.
DCDM NQ on the 1. DCDM NQ on the 1.
All right, we got some cross cluster activity going on here. Let's watch our target areas down below. All right, I'm going to take a sell here. I'm going to put my stop back behind the crosses, and I want to push it out, push it out. Let me get to the targets down there. There we go. Okay, pop to an 11. That's where I want to close it. Just trying to get that target down below. Big green popping right in the way. Hopefully it pushes it all the way through to get me that final runner target there down to that double cross, double move target. Another cross jumping in the way there. Get it.
Speed of NQ74. Speed of NQ74.
Okay, I'll use my hotkey to pop it in, put it behind the cipher. Targets filled for the runner to put us at 28.59 there this afternoon, 17.4. There's S1 obliterated. Excellent. Coming down into the cipher. They're not letting anybody get in there easy. Okay, too fast to react there for the moment. All right, trade number two. So there's my profits on the day, 28.59. So again, leading you guys into it how I do things. So at the point where I've got winner, winner, chicken dinner, I've got two winners. I need to be satisfied with my P&L at that point, and I forgot I had full auto on there. Full auto system paying me on another one. Make that trade number 3, 33.115. Bots doing my work here for me, making it a little bit easy on me there this afternoon. I could not have reacted that quickly to that position. So let's give a big shout out to Enigma. Let's hear it for Enigma in the chat. Let's get some Enigma hype in the chat for trade number 3. Type Enigma if you love that Enigma. Don't forget, so we are doing a feature release on June the 1st, this weekend, and this is the final release for Enigma. There will be only 50 seats available in June. Once they are gone forever. We are not doing full auto for anyone ever again after those 50 seats are gone. So if you did want the full auto feature, now again, there may be opportunities to purchase Enigma separately for manual entry, but for full auto, we have to protect that edge. I don't want too many people entering in at the same place, which you know how full auto would work. Lots of folks, so limited seats on entering into those positions. If that's you and you want it, make sure that you get it as we make this release on June the 1st in just a couple of days. After the 50 seats, I'm telling you, it is gone. Gone, 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 gone. Never again to return. You'll see it on the live streams. We'll be doing dual robot Pippi Robbie. If you guys remember from my old stuff, we'll be showcasing the dual robots into the future, but will not be available unless you had already purchased before the June deadline. And I'm sure they're going to be gone by June. So I may as well just say, basically June is the last month to get Enigma full auto. That is the bot pack over here on the left. And if you do a 2-week free trial with us and inside of our Discord, again, if you have violated our community policies or anything like that, I'm sorry, Charlie. But if you're inside of our community, those offers are not available on the website, but they will be available inside of Discord. So you have to be a Discord member. And the details are there in the announcements section. If that's you and you want to hook it up with the Enigma, you know what to do. Some really cool features in this release coming out this weekend. You're going to be having drawn targets there, kind of like we have with the DCDMs for your Enigmas. If you are a big Enigma fan, those will be there. The speed numbers will be changed. I found that as I continue to use them, I don't find the speed very helpful. So I'm going to give something else there that's a little bit more helpful, if you will. I think you guys are going to like it.
Speed of NQ66. Speed
because I know I already do. You know what I'm saying? Awesome. We're also going to have the, you know how we have to draw this region each day? That's going to be an option to auto draw that for you. Just click the button, boom, that will auto draw every day on all your instruments. If you are trading multiple instruments, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell, ES, doesn't matter what, crude oil, gold, you're trading the snores, snoozers, the Z's. Those will auto go, and we've got auto projection onto your lowest time frame. If you don't want to look over here, if you want to go to kind of a one chart layout type of scenario, but you want the information from here to project here, the no fiddle zone algo will be there for you as well to shade your background when we are in it or out of it.
Speed of NQ80.
You can also enable the MacVU Ultimate colors and or filter these so that only Enigmas in the direction of the MacVU are taken or shown for you. Very cool features. If you guys have not gotten involved with Enigma in the past, you'll want to check that out here as we start the month of June. How do you guys like the new thumbnail for our live streams? We got we're gonna have some Pippi Robbie images on our thumbnails going forward. That should be fun as we go into June. And you guys will be seeing a lot more of Pippi Robbie in the live streams in the future. Up here at the top right, instead of just seeing my P&Ls, you guys will see the bot P&Ls up here as well, like we used to do. We had Pippi, Robbie, and me. So, you know, the battle of the bots versus Cyborg is going to be on like Donkey Kong. All right, 10.1 was enough to push it up. How many ticks did that push? There's a very big bounce off of a 10. 40 ticks. Okay, so we may have some more upside left in it after all. Although we did break a structure right here. If that structure had held, then even more so interested in the long side stuff here. It did break through a structure. So once a structure side has been broken, you can see the short side is going to be in. Why? Because the red harmonic pushed down. Again, this is how I read the markets. You don't have to do that, but this is how I read it. So red held. Okay, reds are in control. Earlier, we had the green push up and the reds push down. Okay, cool. We have not seen a structure break, which means that they are moving the markets harmonically. Boom. We see the first crab break. Now I know I'm looking for the red. The next red, I can take a short. That's the way I look at it. Make sense? If you get that, type of 1. If you don't, type of 2. And again, we'll direct you to the proper location to learn all that fun stuff in our training program. Don't forget, we got a brand new documentation section on our website, docs.algoboxpro.com, or if you're just on algoboxpro.com, at the top, click on How To and go to Documentation. Lots of visuals and text. If you are a, hey, I'd rather just speed read through PDF style stuff and pictures worth 1,000 words, let me flip through images and stuff like that instead of video content, you are, well, we've obliged you now. So that's there for you. We did not have that in the past. You had to go through the videos and all that, but now, if you would like to just, if you're a PDF reader, we got you covered. Or use it as a quick reference guide or print any of those out. And of course, you can print out the entire thing in a book format if you wish as well. Go check that out on our website, algoboxpro.com. The new documentation. The training section is still mostly all video. Again, I still think that video is still the best way to teach for me personally. Okay, let's watch how this cipher holds. Does this cipher hold? I got my finger over the sell if we do, because the last one was a break. Does the cipher push it down, or are we cracking it? Okay, cipher break. Okay, so crab break. Again, with that amount of speed and everything else, that could be interesting. Now, when I see straight leg moves, I tend to think first thing I want to look for is traps. When we start to stair step, remember you can stair step up or down, but slides, return. Okay.
Speed of
We'll be talking about that on Mentorship Monday next week. So if you been with us for a little bit and you want to hop into a Mentorship Monday, we've got open mic. That's where I kind of do updated training materials or kind of going over what's going on in the markets. You can come and ask questions, whether you are new or been around a while. We get that opportunity for you guys on Mondays. Okay, so the secondary red held, and there's the shark break. So again, same thing. We still think to the short side. Yeah. So you follow what we had a minute ago, right? If the reds are holding, they're in control. Okay, so I'm looking for shorts. And what else? MACVU is what currently? Red, right? We have been on the red side. Now, so the hold positions, best positions for me are going to be currently to the short side. Makes sense? Pretty simple, straightforward. I like to use the quantitative tools to tell me what to do. That way I don't have to guess as much. You know what I'm saying?
Up NQ on the 9.
Helps me to make my decisions.
Speed of NQ88.
Billy B, my friend, anything is possible, my friend. In fact, yes, something that is absolutely terrible all the time, then that also means that if you invert the logic, then you have a successful strategy, right? So, but of course, I would always recommend that you run that through multiple market conditions, because what I have found through my experience over years and years of going through all kinds and sorts of theories and thoughts is that the market conditions, as they shift, you need a system that shifts. Unfortunately, a single strategy type of thing, you're like, oh, I got a strategy that fails all the time, so therefore it's going to win all the time, right? If you invert it, that's an interesting theory. We've all been there. We've all thought that, okay? We've all done it. We've all put it into practice and looked through it. The problem is over time, the market shifts. So that worked during X period of time. It could work for 1 quarter. A quarter is not. Remember, there are 4 quarters to a year. That is a 4-quarter seasonality for a year. And then each week, there is a a 5-layer personality, right? There are 5 day types in a week, etc. So the granularity matters. And so what I have found is having multiple strategies over time for any market condition that you can execute on at any point with low time frame risk, high time frame advantage, in my opinion, is superior to all other types. My buddy Sam KB actually did a video on that just the other day. I posted it into our room. Go check out Sam KB on YouTube. Shout outs.
Speed of NQ79. Speed of NQ79.
You're on the 3rd day of the free trial. Loving AB. Awesome. Enigma something else. It is. It definitely is. Okay. So remember how I talked about that slide? I mean, I'm going to give you the short version of what's coming in on Monday to reiterate for you guys. Again, you see how quick this move is, right? Nice, smooth, straight legs down. Kind of a smooth leg up, but then we kind of stutter down, which means staircase down. Where do we go? Down, right? Boom. Now, what happened to the slide? We slid down, easy. Now, look at this. Dun, 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 dun. So, this versus this. Everybody get it? So, if we're stair-stepping up, am I going to be looking for longs or shorts after this in general? For me, again, if you've been following along with me, I'm not telling you what to do. Always remember, this is just how I see the markets, how I apply the markets. What would I tell you here? On a stair stepper up, are we going up or going down? Type it there in the chat and let's see who's got it. Based on just the differences between slide versus steps. Type up or down. What's your guess? See who's been paying attention. Yes, on a stair step, I am looking to the upside until I see what? Until I see a big slide like this one, okay? So once the slide has been shown, now I could potentially get a short. But if I am stair stepping up, I'm keep going up until I see a, what I call that smooth leg in that direction to get people off sides. All right, there it is, 2:30, bottom of the hour. So I see stair steps up. So right now, currently, I'm looking up. At the same time, we just held the shark a little bit, so it didn't make a clean break of it. If that had been a clean break, that makes continuous stair up easier. But that is trap, stair step up. So yeah, there we go. There we go. See? Now, once that has gone, right, smooth, straight leg up, usually you get 2 of those. There's the second one. Now that that fun is over and people are looking long now what am I thinking? Now, if I get a hold, I want to take a short. Make sense? Okay, we're right into a red here. I need a cross. Some kind of, okay, now you see it. We went step, slide. Now I can get short. Everybody understand? You get it, type a 1. If you don't, type a 2. And then I just wait for my entry. I'm going to do short side. I'm going to turn off long. I don't want a long one, but I am going to arm short right now. See that? Everybody understand why? Okay, I'm arming short. If I pop one up here, now that I've got those slides, I do want to take the short side. Make sense? Everybody good? Cool.
Speed of NQ97. Speed of NQ97.
I'm going to get back into my zone up here. Very interesting. Here's the cave. Inside. So inside of the inside, in here, here's the perfect spot for a short. for me. We get before it, I'm okay with that. Watch the structures, see if the structures hold. Let's see how this cipher hits. Left hand buy, right hand sell. You know my hotkeys. It's going to be a Gartley and a cipher right there. We'll watch if that structure holds or it breaks.
Speed of NQ69.
Okay, broke through. So I want to be looking for a short. Waiting on an entry. Remember, currently we're in small timing. See the small, medium, we need larger king, which is right here. This is the large king zone. You see the steps starting to develop to the downside. Can you post that interview? What interview are you talking about? I don't remember saying anything about an interview. Did I miss something?
Speed of NQ 151. Speed of NQ 151.
Okay, here comes double king timing. We're inside of two pinks. See if the big play's coming. There's where the cluster was. See? There's a cluster volume. Let's see how we react here. We have taken very straight legs down throughout this. So what does that mean? We could trap. If we start to stair step up, I'm back to thinking long again here for that set of moves. Left hand buy, right hand sell. We'll go ahead and arm long and short now, either direction now because of where we played. Up here, I would have wanted to get to shorts. These are smooth legs down. So same concept. Got Enigma right on that spot when you said you were waiting for an entry.
104.
Yeah, Chilled Trader. So I'm on L3. What settings are you on? I'm assuming you're saying a red Enigma. You guys, if you're going to call out an Enigma, make sure that you give a direction or color. Okay, I'm gonna get short under this cluster zone.
Target filled.
Yeah, pretty easy read.
Speed of NQ61.
Okay, yeah, on L2. Yeah, I'm on L3 right now because I'm playing the ones. So you got some up here? Post screenshots in the chat. You got, you guys said that you got some enigmas up here. Chilled Trader, can you post a screenshot in the chat for me, bud? In the Discord? Would love to see it. All right, let's trade 4. There we go. Thanks, Kevin. Yeah. Oh, that's a beauty. Yeah, so y'all are on L1s, I'm thinking, correct? L1s or L2? Oh, those are beautiful. Yeah, I might have tightened mine up a little bit here, playing mostly all ones. Yeah, in a future release, we're going to have an option up here where you'll have 3 little buttons right there. We'll go L1, L2, L3, or L4, kind of across these, or maybe I'll do 2 over here and 2 on the right. That'd be cool. Where you can switch, because like in a scenario like that, it's like, yeah, I would even take an L1 up at that spot. I just felt like I really knew that was coming. It makes sense. So at that point, I want to get those enigmas, so I'll give it a shot. Make sense? That way you can switch on the fly without having to, you know what it is, go into indicators, do the thing. Yeah, so it'll be radio buttons across the bottom down here. Enigma members only. And after the summer, there will be no more Enigma. So this is the final summer for Enigma. Again, our other tools are amazing. They're great. But this particular, absolutely amazing pinpoint entry location system has to be limited to the number of seats on it. Okay, we're stair-stepping up. You see it? We've been boom, straight leg, boom, straight leg, boom, straight leg, boom, straight leg, boom, straight leg. And now what we're doing? Chugga, 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 chugga. Stair steps, yes? Remember my stairway to heaven? Right? Stairway to heaven, okay? Step, step, step. Look for a trap, and then pop long if we break a structure. Okay, there's a cipher right above us to detect whether we will or we won't. Okay, another straight leg down.
NQ on the 9.
Into the shark. Left hand buy, right hand sell.
Speed of NQ69.
Yeah, plus on a live stream, you would know what settings I'm set to as well. We get a lot of questions around that. Okay, they're just going straight sideways now here. So now I want to draw a region. Okay, this is an official region now as developed.
Speed of NQ.
Okay, double cross at the bottom of a zone.
Speed of NQ 83.
I'll target the middle. Worst case scenario, stop out down below, no biggie. That is a double cross bottom of the zone, so DCR play. Runner to the opposite side of the channel. Now I'm going to put my stop under the cross. Okay, so got target 1 but not 2. Kind of coming into my $400 superstition there. There is another one. Okay, we'll try it again. Stop underneath the cross. Get it to the opposite side for the runner.
Speed of NQ 79.
All right, I'll close it out there. So only getting T1 there.
Enigma long on the NQ.
Okay, Enigma'd. I am definitely in that $400 superstition here, so I would not be surprised if this one doesn't work out, only because of my phenomenal superstition. You know the one. You've been following along with me for a while, you know. When you know, you know.
Speed of NQ 66. Divergence up NQ on the 9.
Yeah, boo.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
And another one.
Target filled.
Let's see if he gets the trap there. That is a moonshot, but I don't like that it is stair-stepper down and straight leg up. So since we are stair-stepping down, that is less likely to get that run, but gonna give it a shot for fun on my bonus trade here. And that sell supply might ruin the party. Let's see.
Speed of NQ 100 on the 1.
Okay, double cross at the bottom of a zone. Normally want to buy right there.
NQ on the 9.
listening for the audio box. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Add to position. Target filled. Targets filled. Get you some 4K on the day. Let's hear it. Hype in the chat. Bonus trade. Kicked it. Got my 4K.
Speed of NQ 100.
That is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. How's everybody doing? Outstanding work, crew. Let's go.
I'm holding on your tricks. Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late.
Lighters up.
To miss the game, AlgoBox. It's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game, AlgoBox. It's too late.
Shibits. I pressed the wrong button. Noob.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Noob tuber.
Take a shot for you, and I need you like a heart needs a beat. Something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move, and you say follow and play along. AlgoBox is true. It's too late to miss the game, AlgoBox. It's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game, AlgoBox. It's too late. Whoa. It's too late to miss the game, AlgoBox. It's too late. I said it's too late. AlgoBox. It's too late. AlgoBox. It's too late.
Speed of NQ80.
It's too late to miss the game, AlgoBox. It's too late. Yeah, I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. AlgoBox makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. AlgoBox, and never miss the game.
All right, that was a 28 tick up move after the moonshot to the long side. And be careful here, that looks like big straight legs down, and now we're stepping
Speed
up.
of
Be
NQ
careful,
77.
although this ends up being, it's not continuously coming up here. It looks like we're getting a little sideways there, a little narrow channel. I'm going to double up on it so it's super highlighted right here. This will be the telltale sign here very soon, whether we continue or not, in my opinion. There we go. And that, my friends, is why we are the best. The rest is the rest.
Speed of NQ74. Speed of NQ74.
Looks can be deceiving there, Jose. Do you see the stair steps? Does everybody see the stair steps? Again, perfect example from what we're going to talk about on Monday. Okay, again, reiterate. 1, 2. Do you see the examples? Okay, zoom in. About there. Example 1 versus example 2. Slide. Boom, racquetball play, right? Now, trap, okay, like, oh, it's going to go down. People like Ramirez, no offense to Ramirez, but Ramirez like, oh, it looks like it's going short. Looks like it's going short. Looks good. I mean, it's the whole point. The market needs to make you believe something. Now, yoink, and then stepping up. Can you walk upstairs? Yes, you can walk upstairs. Can you walk up a slide? Nope. Anyhow, just a way that I look at things.
Speed of NQ81.
You can do you. I'll be here doing me. Over and over again. All right, so the release, let me turn this down a little bit. Release coming on Saturday, June the 1st. This weekend. So prep up over the weekend, get your, if you're wanting to upgrade, make sure you upgrade maybe on the weekend. That way you got some time to work on getting any, issues, your installation, all that kind of stuff. Tech support will be on high alert. They help you guys out. So if you're having any issues with your installation, don't forget to uninstall your current one first before you install the new one. Big tip there, pro tip. Lots of cool new features. And again, last reminder, Enigma Full Auto is gone after the 50 seats starting on June the 1st. We will open up 50 seats for the Enigma Full Auto, and then it will be gone. And then Enigma at the end of summer, completely gone for new members. If you were in on Enigma, congratulations. There will be an Enigma coffee mug for you to join the Enigma Mug Club. That'll be cool. And we've got trophies coming. So if you've gotten payouts, we're going to have the 10K club. We're going to have the 25K club, the 50K club, the 100K club, the 250K club, the $500,000 club, and the $1 million club. And trophies for each. Very cool looking glass AlgoBox custom trophies. If you guys want to participate inside of premium members only section, this is only for those who are in premium. Verified profits or verified payouts.
Speed of NQ69.
We're going to get you hooked up with those glass trophies so you can put one on your desk. That's going to be awesome. All right, if you guys got any other questions, pop them there in the chat. Come hang out with us on Discord. I got to finish out the code, so I'll leave it right here for you guys. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and Eddie B, I am sitting out the Big H-Town. See ya. Art team, take it away.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance, but the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use best front-end technology.
Speed of
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta 5 Golden. Long. Look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. One down on a freeze. Order filled. Target filled.